Top 7 Legit Ways to Make Money Online. There are many ways to earn money online, and the right approach will depend on your skills, interests, and experience. Here are some ideas to get you started. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing offers your services online as a freelancer in areas such as writing, web design, programming, or social media management. 2. Online surveys. Participate in paid online surveys or sign up for paid focus group studies. 3. Online tutoring or teaching. You can teach English or any other subject to students around the world. 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and services and earn a commission for each sale. 5. Sell your products or services. If you have a skill, talent, or product to sell, create an online store or sell on existing platforms like Etsy or eBay. 6. Virtual assistant. Offer administrative or personal assistance to clients who need help with tasks like scheduling appointments, making travel arrangements, or managing emails. 7. YouTube or blogging. Create a YouTube channel or blog and monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Remember, earning money online takes time, effort, and persistence. It's important to do your research and find the opportunity that suits your skills and interests.